Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Treats and Travels, and I'm Zai Pavarandhir. Our channel has 250 plus subscribers, so thank you so much each one of you. Diwali is around the corner, so today I'm going to show you how to make Poha Chivda. Now I will not waste your time and let's get started. Here we have taken thin rice flakes, then puffed rice, oil, then we have half cup groundnuts, half cup roasted Bengal grams, chilies, curry leaves, then we have fennel seeds, sesame seeds, then mustard seeds, then cumin seeds and turmeric. Then we have salt to taste and then sugar. Now we have two pans. In this pan I will be roasting rice flakes, and in this one I will be tempering for our chivda. Now my gas is on medium flame and I will be adding 1 cup of oil in it. Our rice flakes are roasting on the other side. Now I will test if our oil is hot or not. I have added cumin seeds and they pop up quickly. Then it is a sign our oil is hot. Now I have added groundnuts and I am frying them. When rice flakes started shrinking, they will turn to crispy. Keep close eye on them and make sure they will not get burnt. Now our groundnuts are ready and I will start putting them on our rice flakes. Now after this I will start frying our Bengal gram, and when they will turn to light brown, then I will remove them on our rice flakes. When our oil is hot enough, I will add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, then 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, then add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and mix it well. When after 1 minute you can add curry leaves and green chilies. Now they will crackle, pop up. Don't be afraid of that and mix it well. Stay away and be prepared to fight with your green chilies and curry leaves. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric and salt to taste. Now I am going to mix it well. And I have added 2 cups of puffed rice. Now I am adding rice flakes, but I will add in 2 batches so I can mix it well. So I will recommend add this rice flakes in batches, and after that you can toss them for a good mix. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar for the taste. I'm not adding more than that because our chivda is basically salty. It has that spicy kick. And again toss it well, mix it well, and chivda is ready for the season. If you guys made this chivda, then definitely share picture with me on Instagram, Facebook or on WhatsApp. I will try to enclose that pictures in coming videos. If you have any recipe requests, then let me know in the comment section below. And please like, share, subscribe our channel if you haven't already. Most important thing, I wish each one of you very happy and prosperous Diwali. Until our next video, तुमचा आमचा अन्नदाता सुखी भव.